What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Monday and school days, so we're gonna go drop off my daughter to the school and then I'm gonna stop by at the store. Right now we're warming up the car, so let's wait for like 5 minutes maybe. That's long. Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's go to the store. So, ayun na nga guys, no? Nakawin ako galing sa store. So, nakabili na ako ng SD card kasi kahapon bumili ako nito. Hindi ako nakabili ng SD card. Go open the door for Auntie Krista. Tsaka, bumili na din ako ng case. So, let's go ahead and open it and put it in. Open the door. Hi, I borrow your scissor.
Are you recording yourself?
Yeah. I got this for Daddy, Kalea. So Daddy can record himself every time he goes somewhere running. Yeah? So, careful with the scissor, okay? There you go. Oh crap. Let's put this. I think should put it this way. Yes. Let's put this up.
Is this the
There
camera?
you go. Yeah, it's the camera. It's a case. Ayan. Let's go ahead and turn on. Guys, I got my husband's GoPro set up, so we'll be able to use it anytime soon. And so yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching my videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.